the Kenosha Kickers. Polka, polka, polka. Well, it's that time of year again, and you know what is coming next. Ridiculous song montages. This song's for all you printers out there. Have yourself a merry little Printmas. May your prints turn out right. Oh, print ye the whole roll, filament abundant. Print overnight, please print it right. If the print goes wrong, spaghetti in the morning light. Row well, row well, row well, row well. The printer is fed from the filament. Row well. Marky the print man really hates Filabot. And if they won't answer their goddamn phone, I say we should boycott. This is for all of the tortured spouses of the 3D printing community. Turn off the printer now, dear. Haven't you printed enough? You don't need more Flexi Dragons or other 3D printed junk. I'm not sure if this is the right chords, but I'm printing up your gift for Christmas, 'cause I'm a cheap ass, don't you know? Print up a rock. Tabletop gaming stuff goes in your sock. God rest ye merry printer men, put layers on the plate, and you will be making people's gifts if to the last minute you did wait. Printing stuff for the Christmas tree, ornaments and flexible things. It beats all those Black Friday deals where you have to break people's legs. Oh, print 3D, oh, print 3D, how many are your layers? Let's do a serious one from Home Alone. First layer done, onto the second one. Third has begun, fourth is to run. It's beginning to look a lot like Printmas. Toys, Flexi Dragons, and more. If you're looking to make a mint, find some actually unique things to print and open an Etsy store. Why won't my ancient printers work? Why won't the print be done? Maybe it's because I haven't bought a printer since 2001. My glasses, I can't see through lenses 2 or 1. To all the people out there that started printing something and then a day later you forgot what you were printing. What print is this? The file name. I called it that one thingy thing. I'm trying to get through this in a straight face. The printer's on. I'm making things. First layer's nice. I adjusted the springs. I'm simply printing a bunch of useless crap. Alright, I'm probably not going to top that. But seriously, Merry Christmas to everybody. You are the gratitude gangsters, and you speak to the gangster in me. I hope your holiday is happy. I hope your Christmas is merry. And I hope you ate enough stuff to send you into a small blood sugar-induced coma. We're going to have a great 2026. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. But not yet. It's going to be in a few days. Just Merry Christmas right now.